right now we'll show you a little clip of why we're here. So pause and check this out. So we're here in the junkyard. What do we find, Blake?
We found an 8.8 for the Jeep with a limited slip and 373 rear gear.
And disc brakes.
And disc brakes.
This is out of a Ford Explorer.
It's a 99 Explorer. And it's almost the same width as the rear end of the Jeep. So yeah. I think it's pretty close. So we're just gonna probably cut the soft lines or undo the soft lines for the brakes. Yeah. And we're gonna undo these leaf springs right here, and just roll this thing backward out of here. I think it's probably gonna be the easiest way.
Let's do it. What do you think?
No way. Dude.
So the cool thing is that we pulled the diff cover off just to look inside, make sure something was in there, and couldn't find an oil pan or something for all the oil. I don't know what that is. Right
I think it's a spare tire.
Spare tire case holder?
Yeah.
Love it. What's the problem?
Of course, these are 18s, and the 18 is the only one we don't have in the set.
Not bad. We're only like 30 minutes into this.
Yeah.
We got everything pretty much disconnected. We're gonna drop the leaves, pull the axle and drive shaft out at once.
Yeah.
And then disconnect the drive shaft.
Yeah.
And we're out here.
Yeah.
Sounds easy. All right, let's do it, man. I think we're doing good.
You know, I'm half tempted to take the drive shaft because of the mounting position on it and everything. You know, when it meets the yoke, I'm not sure. Because it's a little funky.
Yeah. A lot of people out here today.
It's Sunday.
It's a nice Sunday.
Are here trying to get there.
In Wilmington, California. Everyone's getting all their parts. So anyway, we snatched this out of a Ford Explorer. Actually, it's pretty good shape.
Yeah. So. It's a nice truck. I don't know why. Probably head gasket. Best way to do it is, but
that's it.
It's just gonna go bam. I don't know if I want to do that.
Yeah.
Mess up my gears. Mess up my.
Yeah, we didn't have a jack, so we had to improvise.
It's really the best way to empty the diff fluid here before it gets all over the back.
Yeah, see that? This is how we're doing it. Empty all the diff fluid, the nasty stuff. Clear it out.
I don't know if those are important, but we'll find out later.
Yeah, so now we'll just move those shocks up and then just pull straight back. We'll take the drive shaft and it together, and then we can disconnect the drive shaft. There we go.
I'm gonna have to do some yanking.
Some persuasion.
What's that?
That was for the spare tire.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get it out. I'm thinking, yeah, see how weird that this piece is? At least if we could take those U-joints apart.
Take the U-joints apart and just, you don't need the
I just need
whole drive
this.
stuff. Yeah, I would just take that. We could pop those out.
Yeah, at least I can take those. So when we get the new one made, I'll have them.
It's all right. So there it is. Got her out.
And
What does that say?
see, 373 with the L in the middle means limited slip.
Nice.
So
All right.
hopefully they never had a re-gear. I'm gonna put this cover back on, and is it recording?
Yeah. Am I gonna say this? All right, there it is. 30 minutes, got it out. Only broke one finger, that's it. All right, now we just gotta take it way over there.
I paid too much money for it.
Yeah, so we gotta go from here to way over there.
That's it.
We got it out. Got it on the what do you call it? Pick your part wheelbarrow. So I guess we'll roll out here and see what the damage is.
Yeah, hopefully it's not too much because we have a leaky axle seal and a messed up stud on one side. So.
They don't care.
I know.
Anyway, hey, we just want to say thanks to this Ford Explorer for donating your rear end to the Ugly Duck Jeep.
How many miles did it have on it?
Yeah, let's see.
It only did 148,000.
148,000?
Yeah.
And actually, like we said, this wasn't a really.
Dude, look at the interior. It was
Wasn't
like
too bad.
It probably blew a head gasket or something
Something
silly.
stupid. Dude, you even got the owner's manual.
Yeah, whoever had this was a grandma or grandpa.
Dude, it's got registered.
How long is it registered last?
Hey, take that sticker, the July sticker, just for fun. Put that in your pocket. So, yeah.
Bam.
All right. Department of Motor Vehicles, Torrance, California.
So she's a local.
She's a local. Should be good, dude. All right. Well, just want to say thanks again to the donor vehicle. The This is a 1999 Ford Explorer.
Yeah.
So
99.
let's pack up our tools and get out of here. That was all the tools that we needed. You're badass just for using those tools.
It seems very
to
handy.
get that out.
But that snap-on 3/8 drive is like the best thing you could ever do.
All right, let's do it. Let's get out.
Take this off so I can. Bro. Our truck.
It's an Explorer. Finally made it to our vehicle. We're gonna put it in.
Our trusty steed, the 2006 Crown Victoria.
Yeah, the rear end is sitting in back of the Victoria. Is this gas ratty or what?
It is. It's super ratty.
Yeah.
And I think,
We don't have that far to go. Let's tie it down and
yeah,
let's do it.
just put it on there somewhere.